Hello future mathematician, welcome to Classic Academy. Today we will be doing factorization trinomials with indivisible coefficient of x squared. So when we are talking about the coefficient of x squared, this is what we are saying. This is the coefficient of x squared. So it is not divisible. So how do we factorize these problems? We are moving from trinomials to grouping terms. How? Then we check this sign here is subtraction. So we have to find a number that we can subtract and they give us 9. So for instance here is equals to, we don't change the expression, don't forget, 3x squared plus 12 x minus 3 x, what does it give me? Minus 12. So 12 minus 3x is still giving me 9. So I can arrange them in this manner to my favor and take 3x squared minus 3x plus 12 x minus 12, and then factorizing them using grouping terms. I group these two together, also group these two together. So what do? Common factor. What is the common factor on red? You can see is 3x and then x minus 1. You know how to factorize common factor, so we don't stress with that one. What is the common factor here? Is plus 12. Then we are left with x minus 1. Again, we apply the common factor, which is x minus 1. Then we are left with 3x plus 12. Factorized fully. Example 2. You have 7m squared plus 27m plus 18. So check this sign is plus. We are looking for two numbers that we can add and they give us 27. When we do the analysis, we have 7m squared. You can put the equal sign here. Plus 21m, it aligns with 7. Plus 6m, it aligns with 18. And then common factor. You group these two together, you group these two together. And then what is the common factor on blue and red? We can see good on red is 7m, and then we are left with m plus 3. Here on blue is plus 6, then we are left with m plus 3. Again we take the common factor, which is m plus 3, then 7m plus 6, factorized fully. And then next one, we have 2a squared minus 27a plus 70. So we are looking for those numbers that we can add and they give us 24, but it must align with 2 and 70. So when we analyze it, we have 2a squared minus 14a minus 10a plus 70. We have said that we are adding them. So someone might think that we are subtracting here. No, we are not subtracting. We are adding the negative values. So it's negative 14 plus negative 10. They give us negative 24. So it didn't change anything. We group them now. And then when we group red and blue, so what do we have now? The common factor. We can take out 2a, and then we are left with what? With a minus 7. If we take out negative 10, we are left with a minus 7 again. Therefore, take another common factor. Our common factor is a minus 7, and then 2a minus 10. Factorized fully. So now let's check on this one. We did it deliberately. When we check the coefficient of a squared here, it is divisible. it's not indivisible. So we have a problem on this one, but we will create a video to deal with this one. But let me show you how to get it. For now, we can factorize it. So since it is divisible, we can have 4 here. 4 multiplied by 2a, they give me 8. So this one is 1. Obviously, on the corners of the brackets, we put 1, 1. So we need to decide which one should take negative. So since this one is negative, it means the bigger one must be negative, since this one is negative. So this one must carry negative if we multiply with the other one. That's why we put negative here, we put plus here. It is factorized fully. So I want you to use the example 1, 2, 3 to factorize for me this expression here. So go and factorize 5a squared plus 35a minus 40, 3x squared plus 20x minus 32, 5x squared plus 28x plus 50. Thank you so much for watching this video. Meet on the next video. Thank you so much.